When you start with the best ingredients and you have the best people to put them together, then you really have something.
Yeah, we're gonna cook.
Chef Carolina and Chef Fedeli joined us from Italy, and they run the kitchens here at Citarella.
John, you pass me the sugar. Hey, buongiorno, Joe. Come stiamo?
What are you up to?
We're preparing for the big weekend. It's coming up.
The teams make everything from scratch.
The freshest ingredients make the most delicious food. Let's make lasagna. Our lasagna is the best in New York. Andiamo, guys. It's 16-layer lasagna, freshly ground sirloin with a bolognese sauce. 4 cheeses, fondina, parmigiano, romano, and fresh mozzarella.
We get all the best ingredients from all over the world to create our menu at the Citarella Kitchen.
Gooey melted cheese, give us the final touch.
Let's see how this batch of lasagna came out.
That's pretty good.
We make everything here, from pork chops to chicken soup to roasted vegetables to stuffed artichokes to roasted turkey breast. It's all from scratch. And don't forget the desserts also.
Handmade, from beginning to end. Tutto è fresco, everything fresh. Every detail matters.
And tell me the truth.
Wow. You must have made a mistake. It's delicious.
No, Joe, it's really good.
We have the best team here at the Citarella Kitchen. It's like family. At Citarella, we make delicious fresh food, fresh from the source, for the most discerning city in the world, every day.